Good evening, teacher. I'm going to answer the questions from the first part of the project. How do Newton's laws help you to play snooker? The first law says ball in motion stays in motion unless stopped. The second law shows how the force of a cue affects the ball's speed and direction. The third law says the cue ball pushes other balls when hit. How do Newton's laws help you to play tennis? The first law says ball in motion stays in motion until acted upon. The second law relates force acceleration, helping players control shot power and direction. The third law explains the equal and opposite reaction when a ball is struck. How do Newton's laws help you swim? The first law says a swimmer keeps moving unless stopped by water resistance. The second law relates force to acceleration, helping swimmers adjust speed. The third law explains the reaction force that propels swimmers forward. How do Newton's laws help you in the high jump or long jump? The first law says an athlete keeps moving until stopped by gravity. The second law shows how force affects jump height or distance. The third law explains the reaction force from pushing off the ground. Why do people sometimes drop a ball in baseball or cricket? Dropping a ball in baseball or cricket is a way for players to practice catching and understand how gravity affects the ball's path. By dropping the ball, they can see how it falls and learn to anticipate movement, which helps improve their ability to catch during games. This practice helps players develop their skills and understand the basic physics of the sport.
The second part of the project is an experiment on Newton's second law, in which it will be demonstrated that acceleration is inverse to mass through the journey of a light car and a heavy car. So the light car must travel a greater distance on average. I don't have many books, so I will use a chair, and I will use a tape measure to measure the distance of each car. This car. Second run. And third run. I added a nail clipper to this car to make it heavier. First run. Second run. And third run. The average obtained from the first car is 335.33, and the average obtained from the second car is 279.67, and this demonstrates what was said at the beginning.